it's Ryder and
Ayana,
and welcome back to our channel. Today we are
going to be showing you how we make slime.
so I'm just gonna go get the ingredients while I tell you what ingredients we're gonna be making, and also telling you to go onto our Twitter and Instagram and other social media accounts. So first, I'm going to show you our Instagram, because I can't show you our Twitter because I'm not like that. So you go onto your Instagram. Oh my god. As you can see, we're on our slime account. This is our name. And we do like the popping challenge. And yeah.
What kind of slime are we making?
What slime do you want to make?
That's nice and chill. Okay.
Jiggly slime? Okay, so we're making jiggly slime today. And our Twitter is just Bomb Slimes, which is BAHM. I know this is BOMB, but our other ones are BAHM. Remember that. I'm just gonna clean out those with her hands. And remember to follow us on Musical.ly. Remember to get our Snapchat, which is Ruder. We're just going to change that to Ruder and Friends. Yeah. Friends. So here's our new name, Ruder and Friends. I don't have a Snapchat code, but if you want to see what's on my story, then follow us on Snapchat. I just love this person. Like, he's so good at singing.
This is how we do. This is how we do.
This is like. And here's like his regular singing on that song. Oh, he didn't sing it right. But this guy was like, he's so good at singing, and I really like love. Oh my goodness, 60 people.
This is how we do.
Guys, 62 people saw that
This is how we
on
do.
our story.
This is
Like, how crazy.
This is how we do.
Okay, so here are the ingredients that you will need. You don't need a gallon of glue. You need some glue, some activator. I would say use liquid starch, but if you know how to handle borax and your hands are not dangerous with it, then you're okay.
Yeah.
Okay, go. I'm having a teaching moment. Also, we're gonna have a lot of teaching moments. Okay.
If you are wondering what the banging is outside, that is her annoying brother.
The one that I get invited to. Okay.
Get off my lawn!
Okay. Alright, anyways. So yeah, if your hands aren't sensitive to borax, then you should definitely use borax. But I say use liquid starch. You need a mixing bowl. We're using like these little containers. And for our scents, we normally use our hand sanitizer. So first scent is going to be this one right here. Mine's going to be this one right here, which actually smells really good. It smells like cupcakes. So I'm just going to put that in there. So we're both going to be using the color blue, because this is going to be jiggly slime. No jiggly, like ocean. So it's going to be blue.
Don't spray fix that later.
And these are our bags to put them in. And our mixing tools. So let's get into it. Oh yeah, and for it, you're gonna need some water. Which water are we gonna be using?
Yours. Okay. But yours has ice. Will you? Oh, if you're wondering what we did to the background,
It's not good. I told you guys.
it's soft and it's good. Holy schnitzels.
Here,
Yeah,
you'll use
I
your
know.
water. I'll use my water. Okay.
But you're sizing
Okay.
it. The dirty one. How dare you? Great.
Okay.
There's a hair in here.
Take it out then.
I am.
Okay. So mine, I want to make perfect because I actually do want this to go on our slime shop. And you guys, if you guys buy them, then you'll be able to touch the things that we are touching, which is a little bit weird.
We're not gonna lie.
Nah. And this is just our second video. So.
What was that? Nah.
uh.
I'm gonna try not to laugh right now.
Okay.
Have you ever seen the Emoji Movie, guys? Comment down below. Me and Ayana have. I don't know what me and Ayana have done or not done. Hi, Grandma.
What is that noise I keep hearing?
Junior?
Huh?
Junior bouncing the ball.
Oh.
Sorry, my grandma came in.
I mean, like, who's grandma coming? Also, comment down below in all of our videos to let us know if you subscribed or you are following us in any of our things. Like musically, mine is whatever 1 2 3 weird. Hers is
Rider.the.zombie.
Rider.the.zombie. I'm joking.
Put that much in.
See? Now you can add your next ingredient, which might be either your scent or your whatever.
I'm gonna do the blue dye because
I'm not gonna add that much glue because you're gonna add water.
Oh my goodness.
So I just added about this much
Mama, see?
of glue. I didn't add that much. I didn't even add half of a cup. Like a quarter.
Okay, now we do. No.
Get out of here. Okay, so I'm gonna add my colors.
Hold on, I want to make like one of those.
Hold on. So I'm just gonna add a drop.
Gabriel's sorry if you guys hear like crying in the background. It's Gabriel because
We're playing because our neighbor is very playful.
Yeah, and he also like knows how to fake cry.
Just gonna add some hand sanitizer, and I feel like that's gonna make it really jiggly too.
Yeah, everybody knows how to fake cry.
Oh,
Jesus! Louise! I said Jesus. Don't worry.
I'm not gonna mix until the end, which is gonna be really amazing. Okay. And I asked a lot of my friends, and they told me that the best way to make jiggly slime is with cold water. If you guys have any things that you think that's not better, then Gabriel, can you go? Please go. Like away.
No, because you guys are not letting me make.
We are right now. Hold on. Whenever the video's loading.
Go. Leave the premises.
Savage. I'll talk to him. What are you doing? Mine's
not-
nice. Leave him alone. 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 Okay, I'm gonna take this right out. Oh! Okay, I already have some changes to make to my slime. I don't think that cold water is the best way to go. This is really cold. I added too much. Dear.
Mine smells.
Oh, mine smells good.
Last time I checked, it smelled disgusting.
It actually does smell good. I'm not even joking.
Oh, and Gabriel's making music for us. this music.
I mean, can you like give me some? You know what? Yeah, I need some of that.
I could have just ruined your slide, but I'm
Oh.
What happened this time?
He's actually being cool.
Slice it right. Next time, slice it left. Slice it left.
Get off our lawn, Junior.
I'll be right back.
Ready? Don't go slide. Because we have to do more.
This is how we do. Do. This is how we do. Hi, Grandma. Bye, Grandma. Bye. Oh my goodness, gee. My grandma came in. She's like looking at me like. She closed the door and then opened it, and then she looked at me like that again. What are the boys doing?
They're okay now.
What did you tell them?
No, they're bad. Just said I was gonna suffocate. I'm joking.
She would never do that, guys. She's not actually as crazy as Michael Myers up there. Also known as Junior. We call him Michael Myers because you don't want to know.
If you do want to know, leave a comment down below that you know.
And we'll tell you the story time about how he's trying to do my face.
Story time. We should do a video about story time. Leave a comment down below if you want to see that.
No, we're just gonna do it next video. Oh, if you're wondering why I'm in a different outfit, no, it is not the next day because I still have a black outfit. I just changed because it was hot and I live in Arizona. One more thing, oh my god, Arizona is like a desert with very hot degrees.
Can you please give me some more of this nice stuff? Oh my gosh, comment down below where you live. Not
Like,
like
exactly.
that, like if you live in a different country or state.
Like, yeah, California,
Ooh.
Arkansas, Hawkins. If you know where I got that from. So guys, mine turned out so good. I love it so.
How? Mine still smells really good. I don't know what yours smells like. Let me smell yours.
Oh no, it is
I need some.
being activated.
I need some activator.
Oh, it smells like activator, so I'll have to add more in.
Yeah, but just be aware that if you do that, you're gonna need a lot more activators too.
Yeah,
This
because
is more like milk slime. Love the angle. Okay, I need some more of that nice touching stuff. For some reason,
It's-
how
if
come
you-
our videos go by faster?
this has been 30 minutes long.
Yeah, and like real life people like takes them like 30 minutes, but it's fine. It's because they make like a pro slime. Okay, can you please give me some more activator? My hands are too sticky.
I love Anna so much.
She's just saying that so I don't kill her. I would not do that. Can any of you guys take a chill?
Can you guys take a chill pill? Oh, sorry.
Oh, it's fine.
You said it.
Oh, great! Ryder. It's overactivated. Oh, we're gonna have to turn off the camera.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we are.
No, we're
I'm about to kill you.
not. I love you so much.
Oh my
Iona.
gosh. It's brain. If I could fix this, and if I can't, that's one less jelly ranch you get for your
What?
paycheck.
What?
You get one less dollar for your paycheck.
You don't, I thought you said you didn't get paid.
I do get paid.
Well, you have to help me buy some materials.
Okay, Because you did this to my freaking sign. We're really gonna get paychecks?
Yeah.
Wait, really?
I mean, if people buy our slimes, the people out there, I see you. I see you.
Okay, on the lid of our containers, we're gonna write who made the slime, okay? Because the money that we get from that slime, the person that made it gets, okay?
Yeah.
Because, like, that's totally fair. If you guys have any ideas for slime,
Comment down
Please
below
comment
and we
down
might
below.
give it to you if you want to buy it.
we should do a giveaway, except for, like, only at our school. So that people at our school watch our videos. Do you not want that to happen?
Because we're very cringy.
True.
This is how we do. Do. This is how we do. This is how we do. Yeah. Chill, lay back, straight. That's how we do it like that. This is how we do. Do. Yeah, I said do. This is how we do. Yeah. Chill, lay back, straight. That's how you do it like that. Yonder doesn't know the lyrics. This is how we do. Do. This is how we do. Next
Who's
lyrics.
better at singing?
Okay, I'm gonna sing first. First things first, I'm gonna say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way. But first, before I finish singing and before Ayana starts singing, we have a challenge.
Yeah. Press the like button
In
in 5 seconds.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you did that, then comment down below that you did, and maybe you'll get a free slime.
Maybe not. I'm just...
But you'll have to we'll email the winners if we can find your email. Cause this is how we do, yeah.
Oh my gosh, if you're from our school GPA,
Please don't hit on us when we get to school.
because I have a whole entire game. We'll beat you up. I'm joking.
I do too. And we cuss. I'm kidding. Information was not needed that day. I don't say bad words.
I
but
need
my
more
friend
glue
does.
because you added too much excavator.
And her name is
I'll say my name.
Her squad is.
Called the Poop Butt Squad.
That's actually what it's called. No, I can't.
We should do table slime.
Oh, I hate tables.
Look at this. And I only had to do this because
So she's looking at me through the camera. I see you too, bro. Let's see.
what?
If you want to see Hudson's backyard one last time,
No, thank you.
okay?
Actually, we have another challenge. Comment down below if you want us to do a table slime challenge. We'll do it next video.
I don't think she wants you to do it. This is our second video today. What?
I said please don't do it.
Told you she really doesn't want to.
I also told them that you were crazy.
Thanks.
We are the crazy people.
I'm calling you a freaking crazy person.
Flying!
Did?
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, if you guys saw that. Comment if you saw
No, they didn't because it went.
Oh my gosh, we're asking for so many people to comment stuff. Comment if you actually listen to these comments. I'm joking.
Actually, do that because if you do, then you are a pro and you will get another giveaway.
Oh yeah. We're not having a giveaway yet.
Yeah, we are.
Not
Remember,
until we
person-
come up with stuff.
but the first person to comment down below. Remember the
Yeah, but it's only gonna be a giveaway for our school though.
Sorry if anyone really wanted that. This is how we do. So guys, we'll show you the finishing touches of our slimes. So yeah. So we're gonna do some ASMR with my slime. Stop touching it.
Hold on. Don't start yet.
Okay, tell me when to start.
Okay.
Start.
No. Don't. I'm gonna videotape it.
God, that was a really good one.
Wait, hold on.
That's gonna be upside down, but okay.
Wait, is it really?
I'm
so bad at this. I've got it.
We gotta fix it now. Okay, that's my slime. Now it's time for her slime. Tell me that they go.
Oh my god. Stop. I was good at videotaping yours.
Okay. That's it because that's how much time I got.
No, this is.
Yeah, it is.
Stop. You're trying to cover the camera purposely. Okay, let's do a quick review. So, think you want to change about your slime? Because I do. I want to change this and the scent. Because I need to make it darker. She's trying to sabotage me. Okay.
If kids at my school wonder why I have food on my hands, I'm just going to direct them to this video.
I really don't want my friends to watch.
They may think it's cool. They may think it's bad. Just say it was Ryder's idea because it was. Totally all my idea.
It was mine.
I know. I said that it was all hers.
Oh. Don't waste all my dye.
Alright.
It's really bad. Okay, I made a marble slime.
I did too.
Don't
Okay.
copy me.
So that's it for this today,
No, it is
guys.
not.
Yeah, it is.
Whenever it's 2:25, that's whenever.
No,
I'm
we're
joking.
done. We're done.
One day.
So, okay, guys, that's it for this video. Comment down below if you want to see more of these videos. We all love you all.
Peace out, bomb. Salute.